How can you significantly lower blood pressure without medication? High blood pressure is a very common problem that is common among people. Those who suffer from this problem know well what medications should always be carried with them and how to take them correctly. But they constantly rely on medicines. This is not the best way. Scientists have found a solution to this problem and told how to improve blood pressure over 16 weeks. It is only necessary to adhere to certain conditions. Effective prevention of cardiovascular diseases is the observance of the key principles of a healthy lifestyle, proper nutrition and exercise. This formula was the result of a series of experiments involving 129 people. Participants in the experiment were people of different ages, from 40 to 80. Among them were those who suffered from obesity and hypertension, as well as those who took drugs for high blood pressure. Volunteers were divided into 3 groups. In the first group, participants had to change for the better not only their diet, but also physical activity. They, in particular, reduced the consumption of red meat, salt and carbohydrates, but ate more vegetables, fruits and low-fat dairy products. Exercise was also performed regularly. In the second group, the changes affected only the diet. In the third group, the participants continued to lead a familiar lifestyle. By the way, during the experiment, the participants did not take medicine. So, the result of these experiments turned out to be this: in the group where people adjusted their diet and the amount of physical activity, after 16 weeks not only weight loss was recorded, but also a decrease in pressure by an average of 10 to 16 points. In the second, they also achieved shifts, but not so significant, and in the third group there were no changes at all. Draw conclusions. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.